So I built the seat bracket today. This is supposed to mount onto our bus. It's supposed to hold two Chrysler Pacifica seats, the stow and go seats. You can see here a custom bracket to hold on rails and a little thing, so it's got a slider so you can slide them. It's kind of hard to slide with one hand because I'm holding a camera. Anyway, there's 4 of these seats. I was going to use the original bus seat system that I used, originally put on. Tried welding some bits on here, but all the alignment was just screwed up and wrong and was kind of gross, and even the original stuff was all bent and messed up. So I sorry it's heavy, bought some new steel and put this together this afternoon. I've got to build another one still, and ran out of welding wire, unfortunately, so you can see I finally used up my 10-pound spool here, so I'll get another one of those tomorrow. I seem to go through those a lot. It'll be nice to get these bolted into the bus. It's been months since the seats have been out, and got the next ones waiting right here. Got my little bucket of bolts and parts and brackets that got built. There's actually another revision of them. So these connect in and hook into the seats. I bought these off of eBay, and I think they came out of ambulance, or not ambulance, but mobility conversion vehicles. So they're just selling them cheap. Anyway, that's the bracket. Here it is underneath. That mounts onto the pedestal to the inboard side, and this is the outboard side that bolts onto the chair rail of the bus. Hopefully they fit. They seem to be fitting as I've been checking them. I'll let you watch the quick time lapse that I put together, shot with this video camera. Just kind of playing with it.